In an unexpected twist that left the technology realm reeling, Sam Altman, heralded as the trailblazer of the rapidly evolving artificial intelligence frontier, was abruptly relieved of his duties as OpenAI's co-founder and CEO this past Friday. The grounds for his dismissal stemmed from what the organization described as a thorough evaluation by its governing body. The board concluded that Altman's lack of consistent transparency in his interactions impeded its governance capabilities. Consequently, the board's trust in his leadership capacity for guiding OpenAI's future trajectory diminished significantly. This development sent ripples of astonishment across the tech community, particularly in light of Altman's impressive feats over a relatively brief period. While behemoths like Google have devoted years to the advancement of artificial intelligence, OpenAI managed to leapfrog ahead with the debut of ChatGPT in the previous November. This conversational AI, with its unprecedented human-like composition skills, was a first of its kind for public access. ChatGPT's rapid acquisition of a staggering 100 million users played a pivotal role in propelling OpenAI to secure multi-billion-dollar funding, nudging Google off balance, and positioning AI as a central pillar in the technology sector. Moreover, this breakthrough transformed Altman into a celebrated figure virtually overnight, where he embraced the role of a prophetic, yet somewhat fatigued ambassador of AI's potential impact on human society. Shortly after his unexpected departure, Altman took to Twitter to express his sentiments. In his message, he conveyed a deep affection for his tenure at the company, describing it as a transformative journey. Alongside this, he extended his admiration and commendation to his former colleagues, highlighting their contributions and efforts. Following the unforeseen leadership shuffle at OpenAI, Mira Murati, who holds the position of Chief Technology Officer, has been appointed as the interim CEO. This move comes as the board embarks on a search for a permanent successor. In a related development, co-founder Greg Brockman will be relinquishing his role as chairman of the board, although he will continue to serve as the company's president, now under the stewardship of Murati. As of now, if there are additional elements contributing to Altman's dismissal, an event that, according to reports, caught OpenAI employees off guard, such details remain undisclosed. In the interim, this lack of information has sparked a wave of speculation and conjecture within the industry and beyond. Naturally, in an intriguing turn of events, someone posed the question to OpenAI's own creation, the chatbot ChatGPT, inquiring about its perspective on the situation. In response, ChatGPT surmised that there's probably more to the story, hinting at underlying complexities or factors that have yet to surface publicly. In September, Elizabeth Weil from New York penned a profile on Altman, bringing to light various apprehensions surrounding him and his influential position in the AI revolution. This profile underscored a range of concerns and debates centered around Altman's approach and the broader implications of his work in the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. Sam Altman, through his own self-reflection evident in various blog posts, podcasts, and video appearances, offers a nuanced perspective on his suitability as a leader in the AI domain. He perceives himself as a technology brother who, while highly intelligent, doesn't claim the mantle of a genius. He acknowledges possessing what he describes as an absolutely delusional level of self-confidence. Additionally, he believes he has a prophetic understanding of the trajectory of technological and societal change over an extended timeline. Being Jewish, he combines optimism with a readiness for adverse outcomes. Furthermore, Altman considers himself highly adept at risk assessment, as he isn't easily swayed by popular opinion. However, he also recognizes certain limitations. Emotionally and demographically, he feels somewhat misaligned with the role he has been thrust into. He concedes that there might be others who would relish this position more or bring a more charismatic presence. Altman admits to a certain detachment from the everyday experiences of most people and is occasionally prone to tone deafness, a trait not uncommon in the tech sphere. For instance, his use of the term median human when discussing artificial general intelligence, likening it to an average human coworker, is an example of this disconnect. This blend of self-awareness and critique paints a complex picture of Altman's place in the ongoing narrative of AI's evolution. Weill's analysis delves into the enigmatic nature of Altman's public persona, probing the extent of our collective trust in him and his ability to address and integrate the concerns of others. especially in public forums aimed at alleviating anxieties. She notes Altman's expressed intention to decelerate the pace of the AI revolution, yet his underlying belief that ultimately things will turn out positively, or at least likely so. In his discourse, Altman uses "we," a word that, in this context, carries an almost regal undertone, suggesting a collective responsibility and decision-making power. He advocates for a decisive approach toward shaping our desires and enforcing them, while acknowledging and embracing the notion that the future, radically transformed by AI, holds the potential to be vastly improved and remarkably different. This perspective underscores a blend of cautious optimism and a call for collective agency in steering the course of AI's impact on society.